Hello, beauties. How are you guys doing? Thank you for coming. For all my new subscribers, new and warm welcome to you. New welcome. Guys, today I have my couscous dèguè recipe to share with you. I just did the dèguè recipe earlier, like 2 or 3 weeks earlier. So here is the couscous version of it. This is my couscous. To I hope we all know couscous. Yep. And it doesn't take too long to um get cooked. So let's go along and see what I'm up to. Here I have my 1 cup of water. I am adding to my hot pot. The pot is already warmed up. So to this water, I will go ahead and cover it up and let it boil. Yeah, after the water is boiling or begin to boil, you add your butter, 1 tablespoon of butter to it, and to this you are going to add your couscous to the butter and water on fire. And after adding it to it, make sure you have like this, just a little bit of wet or water on top of it. You don't need much water to bring some couscous to a boil. So you cover it up. The steam will do the job. So after 3 minutes, my couscous is well cooked, especially when you don't have a lot. So here my couscous is well cooked, and now I will go ahead and toss it in my mixing bowl and let it cool down. Okay, so guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel yet and you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Share on any kind of platform you have, your Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Share with your loved ones. You never know, someone might need one of my recipe that will help them. Okay, so here I am transferring my couscous to a mixing bowl, and I'll go ahead and add a little bit more, 1 more tablespoon of butter to this cooked couscous, just to help it get well separated. Especially when you boil it with water, it tends to get stuck together. So to help it get separated, you need more grease or oil, but in this case we just need butter. Butter is okay, it's good for this kind of recipe. So after mixing it with the butter, you add the butter while it's still warm. Okay, so here I am done. When I let it cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Your couscous is cold now. So I'll proceed to the mixture of the yogurt here. Here I have my nutmeg, some dry raisin, condensed milk, and some sour cream, and some yogurts, plain yogurts. So to all this, I'm gonna add all of them to my another mixing bowl. Here you add them all together, and then you go ahead and mix them well. So you mix, 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 mix. Make sure you get rid of all the lumps inside your yogurt, and then you are ready to add your couscous to this, and that will be all. That's it for this recipe. It's very simple and so good. Feeling it can take you a long way during the day. So to this, some people can add some sugar, but for me, I don't add any more sugar because of the condensed milk. You all know it's really sweet. If you taste it and you see that it's not that sweet, the sweetness is not what you want, you can add a little bit more of condensed milk or sugar to it. But if you opt to just the condensed milk like me, you just add a little bit more of it to get to the sweetness you want. So here I already added the couscous. As you can see, is ready. My couscous dèguè is ready. You can have this for breakfast, uh, um, afternoon snacks, anything you want. Back home, I remember sometimes they put this in a rubber and attach them and put them in the freezer. We used to buy it sometime at school that way also, but at home we just toss it in the fridge and get it. You let it chill. When it's chill, oh my god, it's so good and delicious, guys. So this is it. Let's enjoy this dèguè virtually, guys. Enjoy it with me. Thank you so much for watching my dèguè recipes. Couscous dèguè is ready. So guys, again, don't forget to subscribe if you like what you are seeing here, and don't forget to turn on all your notification, notified every time I upload new videos. Thank you. Love you. Bye bye.